to show me the origami that colored pink also. Yes, true. You have to trace it. Okay? Trace. Okay. Green? The green one? Yes, you have to say. Okay. And then when I show you the yellow part? Yes, great. When I show you the blue?
Kebalik.
Reverse. Okay, true, you're doing great. And then lastly, yeah. Great, okay, take care, Emma. Okay, can you give it back to me, Emma? The shape, no, the shape one. You can keep the origami one. Okay. Okay.
It's like a moon.
Yes.
Okay, Emma. So there's we have a moon. Okay, and then we have a triangle.
Gak ketawa Miss ya. Triangle-nya hilang.
Kenapa diketawa?
Karena nggak ada dipegang ya.
Iya.